how to set up Gmail filters. First, you want to simply open the Gmail application, and inside the Gmail app you want to simply click the show search option over here, and by doing so you'd be able to enter your filter criteria over here as well. However, you'll be able to see a lot of filters over here as well. You want to simply select any kinds of labels, and if you want to open any kinds of mail from these labels, you'll be able to select them over here as well. For example, if I want to open mails just from this sent section, I want to simply select this sent option, and you'll be able to see all of the mails that are included on the sent label over here. If you want to check others as well, you'll be able to do that over here. And if you want to select your timeline as well, you can simply tap on from and to options over here. If you want to check sent or received mails, you'd be able to do so from this from or to section over here. You'd be able to check it according to attachment, dates, and is unread feature as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.